Good morning, everyone. This week's for informational writing, we are going to be doing an informational writing on Earth Day. So for one of our selections will be this book called Recycle Every Day. So Recycle Every Day is written by Tammy, Gagne. It introduces the concept recycling and why it is beneficial for Earth while offering fun ways to recycle at home and in the community. Too much trash. We make trash every day. Where does it all go? Most of it is burned. A lot of it is put in a landfill. How it works. A landfill is a big hole in the ground. Trash is dumped in, then dirt gets put on top. Recycle. Trash is bad for the earth. We can make less of it. One way is recycling. Recycling helps keep trash out of landfills. There are many things we can recycle. Recycle old for new. Cans, jars, bottles, and paper can all be recycled. Do not put them in the trash. Sort them in bins. These items can be made into new things. Old bottles can be made into new ones. How recycling works. A truck takes old plastic bottles to a recycling center. The bottles get cut into pieces. Then they are melted and turned into new plastic. Then it is used to make new things. Recycle food. You can even recycle food trash. Save food you do not eat. Use it to start a compost pile. How it works. The compost will break down. Then you add it to your plants. It becomes food for your garden. Plants use it to grow. Reuse it. Another way to make less trash is to reuse. This means using items more than one time. Pack your lunch in a reusable bag or box. You can use it again and again. Save paper. Trees are cut down to make paper. You can use reused paper. Write on both sides. Reuse it if you only use half. This helps save trees. Let's do it. Reuse newspaper. Save the Sunday comics. Wrap a gift with them. This will save wrapping paper. Fun ways to recycle. You can recycle and use many things. Save a jar. Make it into a bank or use it for small plants. Let's do it. Save a soup can. Make it into a pencil holder. You can draw on a piece of paper, then glue the paper to the can. Other places to recycle. You can recycle and reuse many things. Carry items home from the store in a tote bag. Reuse it each time you shop. This will save paper or plastic bags. Where else can you recycle and reuse? Get started. Collect bottles, cans, and paper to recycle. Use a tote bag at the store. Pack a reusable bag or box for lunch. Write on both sides of your paper. Make a glass bottle into a vase. Make a jar into a bank. These are some of the vocabulary words to know. Compost is a mix of old foods put over soil to help plants grow. Landfill is a place where garbage is dumped. Plastic is a material that can be melted and made into different shapes. Recycling, processing old items such as glass, plastic, cans, and paper so they can be used to make new items. Reusable, able to be used again instead of being thrown in the trash. All right, to learn more, you can refer to any of these other pages, and please continue to looking at Epic Books for more books. Have a great day.